Did you know that over 70% of adults experience daily stress? It's a staggering reality. But there's hope. Meditation can alleviate this widespread stress, offering a simple yet powerful solution. Join us as we explore how meditation can transform your life, starting right now. Let's dive into the world of mindfulness together. Meditation isn't just for gurus or yogis, it's for everyone. If you're a beginner, know that meditation is simpler than it seems. It's a gateway to peace, easily accessible and ready to be a part of your life. Let's explore how meditation can transform your daily routine and well-being. Many people think meditation is complex, demanding years of dedication or the perfect setting. But let's unravel these misconceptions. Meditation is accessible to anyone. The belief that you need a quiet, serene environment can be misleading. Meditation can happen in your living room, office, or even on a busy subway. It's not about where you are, but where your mind is. The idea that you need extensive experience is another myth. Meditation is about simplicity and presence. Just a few minutes each day can shift your mindset and reduce stress. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to begin. By breaking down these barriers, we open up the possibility for everyone to benefit from meditation's calming effects. Whether you're a busy professional or a student with a packed schedule, meditation can fit seamlessly into your life. Let's move beyond these myths and explore how you can incorporate meditation into your routine. In our next segment, we'll guide you through simple steps to start meditating today. Stay tuned for practical tips that make meditation achievable for everyone. Welcome to the heart of your meditation journey. Starting meditation is simpler than you might. Today, let's explore the basics so you can begin reaping the benefits of this ancient practice. First, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your room, cozy spot in the park, or a peaceful nook in your garden. Next, sit comfortable, whether on a chair or the floor. Ensure your posture is relaxed yet alert. Now focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the rhythm as it naturally slows down, bringing you into a state of calm and presence. Remember, there's no right or wrong. Each breath is a step towards inner peace. Creating this calming space is essential to help ground your practice and make it a regular part of your life. As you continue, these simple steps will guide you through stress relief from Perry. In our next segment, hear a personal story that highlights the transformative power of meditation. Let's discover together how these small moments can lead to profound changes. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why meditation has been a game changer. Just a few months ago, I was constantly anxious, my mind a whirlwind of thoughts. Then, I discovered meditation. At first, it felt like just another task on my to-do list. But one day, something clicked. I was sitting in silence, focusing on my breath, and suddenly, there was clarity, like a fog lifting from my mind. It was a moment of peace I had never experienced. That was the turning point. Since then, meditation has become my refuge, my daily sanctuary amidst chaos. It's not about emptying the mind, but about finding stillness within. Meditation has taught me to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. It's a simple practice, yet it holds immense transformative power. If meditation can bring such profound change to my life, imagine what it could do for you. As we move forward, let's explore how you too can start your journey towards inner peace and clarity, making meditation a cornerstone of your routine. Meditation is for everyone. It's not a distant mystical practice, but a daily companion for inner peace. Incorporating meditation into your routine is simple and rewarding. Embrace it as part of your life and experience the calm it brings. Ready to begin your journey? Let's explore together in the next segment. Join our mindfulness journey today. Share your meditation experiences in the comments below, and let's learn together. Explore our channel for more insightful videos and tips on embracing meditation in your daily life. Let's build a community where everyone feels empowered to find peace and clarity. Your journey starts now, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.